There are big questions science doesn't answer, such as why is there something rather than nothing. There can be a scientific answer to that because it's the answer that precedes science, meaning science does not always precede everything because it succeeds everything because it's an invention, creation, development of and by mankind for our own purposes, reasons, for obviously bad ends, diabolical intentions, or for the good, obviously intentions also for the whole elevation, entirety, growth, progress, learning of not just the individual man and woman, but also of the whole world and mankind. So science is twofold. Science is both good and bad, right and wrong simultaneously, because science cannot be absolutely and unconditionally considered to be healthy, productive, good, righteous, authentic, sovereign all the time, and certainly it cannot be considered to be absolutely bad, dangerous, malevolent, wicked, because it has got both its goods and bads, obviously profits and harms at the same time. That's how it's made, that's how it's invented by ourselves. Obviously, not necessarily by ourselves, but by humankind or mankind, by the big peoples, by the big names of Isaac Newton, Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, Einstein, Oppenheimer, and obviously Stephen Hawking, and so on and so forth. The list just goes on. So science is divided into many parts. But then again, one of the fundamental questions that science does not answer is that why can there be not nothing? Why is there nothing instead of something? There is always something in science in one way or another, everywhere around, not just the world, but also in the outer space, in the universe, in the cosmos, there is always something. But the cosmos can also be essentially empty and fundamentally hollow because neither can it be touched, nor can be reached, nor accessed, nor experienced by anyone or anything of this world that is humanly, that is organic, that is a living organism, will never be able to access the other planets and reach and understand absolutely the universe because only 5% of the entire universe is explorable and the other 95% is the composition, or it consists of obviously dark matter and dark energy, which is absolutely dangerous, mysterious, incomprehensible anyways, and also inaccessible therefore. So science does not say that there is nothing. It always says and teaches to all of us that there is always something in everything. But then again, we have created science in our own understanding, not necessarily as how it should be or how it exactly is in the nature itself, but we have created it as we understood it. So science is humanity's or mankind's observation, understanding, experiment, and then interpretation and explanation in one way or another. So obviously there must not